progression of dry eye in contact lens wearer is therefore following that process. It starts really at the bottom with this kind of like a struggling contact lens wearer who notices maybe an initial physical awareness of the contact lens and then possibly complains also of visual disturbances as well. And I think actually, unless we particularly ask about this, we might pick up the visual disturbances because we're all really good, right? We're whipping out like a Snellen chart or a Logmar chart and then trying to improve vision. But this whole physical awareness of the contact lens, we may not actually spend so much time on in our history and symptoms. And then from here, that leads on to reduced comfortable wearing time. And this is really a question we should be asking our patients. Of course, we're asking about wearing time in general, the maximum wearing time. What time did you put your contact lens in this morning? What time are you generally taking it out? How long are you wearing the lenses today? But also how comfortable on a scale of 1 to 10, for example, explaining them what 1 means and also obviously what 10 means. What is the comfortable wearing time? And then from reduced comfortable wearing time, we're then leading on to reduced total wearing time. And then if you leave that untreated, we get to the point where they start to discontinue temporarily their contact lenses. For example, they only wear them for sports or for going out or let's say for the weekend. And then obviously in the end, before you know it, we have another dropout.